Nature has always provided us with valuable ecosystem services, but human activities, such as deforestation, intensive farming, improper land use, have weakened its ability to keep providing these vital services. For example, in Cambodia, deforestation has caused significant environmental harm. This includes reduced soil quality and carbon sequestration, decreased crop production, poor water quality, and endangered the region's biodiversity. As a result, farmers rely on artificial fertilizers and pesticides to sustain crop production, which only exacerbates the already damaged soil, leading to water pollution and negatively impacting their livelihood. Scientists from the Institute of Technology of Cambodia, along with French scientists belonging to IRD, CNRS, and several universities, have observed that patches of soil mounds covered by natural vegetation within paddy fields could be a glimmer of hope for agriculture. These soil mounds are created by termites and are home to a variety of plants and soil fauna. The soil found in these mounds has unique properties, including higher levels of carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, silicon and clay, compared to the surrounding paddy fields. These termite mounds constitute a biodiversity hotspot, and were traditionally used by farmers as a natural fertilizer. The question on everyone's mind is whether these biodiversity hotspots have the potential to impact agricultural practices in the future. In light of this, researchers have launched the REASOL and ECOTERM projects to understand and quantify the impact of termite mounds on rice yield, the ecosystem, and the resilience to environmental threats, such as drought and soil fertility decline. These projects take a novel approach based on transdisciplinary and participative methods, involving farmers and scientists, to learn about farmers' cultural practices and socioeconomic environment, and to understand why they prefer using synthetic pesticides and fertilizers over termite mounds. By gathering all this information, the researchers can evaluate the economic value of the ecosystem services provided by termite mounds. This will help develop solutions and knowledge to preserve these services, while enhancing farmers' livelihoods and protecting the environment.